how to get emoji on Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now for example, if you're writing a message or if you're sending a message to anyone and if you want to include emoji in that, then there are multiple ways by which you can do it. Now the first step is simply you can press Control plus Command plus spacebar on the keypad and you can see the emoji pop-up will be there on the screen. Now you can select multiple emojis from here. This was the first step, and the second step is you can simply press the globe icon or the function key on your keypad, and if you do that, then also you can see there will be the emoji window or the pop-up. Now this second option of globe will not be enabled in each and every one's Mac. To enable it, all you have to do is you have to go in settings and then you have to scroll down and you have to go in keyboard option, and this one you can see there is an option of press globe key 2. In this one you have to select show emoji and symbols. Once you do that, then only if you press that globe key on your keypad, then this emoji window will appear on the screen and you can add emoji wherever you want. For example, we are looking at hey good morning, so if you want to add a smiley, you can just simply go and add a smiley here. You can see it is visible. Now there are again multiple things which you can check out in this emoji window. If you click on this small icon on the right hand side, the window will expand, and to check out name of each and every smiley, you can just simply click on that and you can see the names are changing here. So you can also search this smiley or emoji by their name. Again, there are multiple emojis. You can check out each and every emoji's name by clicking on this particular emoji. And to minimize it once again, you can click on this icon and once again we are back to normal emoji window. So guys, these are the simple steps to get emoji in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.